look, I don't know if my camera's gonna, you know, then you know. Did it again. Hey! Hi guys, I look so bad. I am so sorry. I really don't know why I'm filming right now because I'm literally on my worst week. If you know, then you know. And my hormones are acting up. Let me just tell you guys. One, I'm stupid because I thought I had class today. Today is Thursday. I don't have class on Thursdays. I'm scared my music is gonna like blast. Hold on. I literally waited and I sat at my computer after I worked out. That's why I look really gross right now and I don't stink, okay? I logged onto my class, forgot that today was Thursday. I don't have class until Fridays and I literally sat at until 10:30. I typed, good morning. I looked at the time, I saw that nobody was on. I was like, do not, and I couldn't even delete my message. So I had to type against that, LOL, disregard that please, oops. Like, I don't know where my brain is. Currently, I have some errands to run, so I have to go to Publix because I am cooking again for my family this time instead of just myself. You guessed that, I'm making my salmon again, but I wanted to make some broccoli as well with this asparagus, but I don't know yet. Don't count me on it because I don't know how to boil broccoli. And then I also have to go to Walgreens because if you guys don't know, I like to take film, like photos and stuff. So I have this one and also have my film canister. I had recently bought myself a film camera because I was like, you know what, it's a lot of money to be buying this and then they just like toss it. So let's be eco-friendly and just buy an actual film camera, buy the canisters and just, you know, bring it in. I think that's about it. Target, Publix, Walgreens, and H&M. Oh yeah, H&M. So I went to H&M and I want to show you guys. I bought this really cute shirt. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up, but it's green and it has like cute little flowers on it. Do you see that? Oh, so cute. Thing is, I got an X small and I just needed a small. And then I had bought like these like grayish tan pants. The jeans were really long on me. I'm too short and I'm gonna return it because there's no point to keep it. It's cute though. If I remember, I'll pin a photo of what I had bought, but like, I'm just too short. Like, it really sucks. I'm gonna see how long you guys are stable right here. I feel like you guys can't fall, right? Can you guys even see me? Is my wheel too big? Whatever. I would put music on, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I am just gonna drive in silence. So are you guys liking my little student diaries little thing that I'm starting? I'm trying something out and I've been thinking about doing it for like a really long time. Oh, that's my neighbor. Do I wave at her? Okay. Oh my gosh, okay, I did the hard stuff already. Now I just need to do the last two things.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those 𝘂𝐻𝗄𝐾 slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's free.
Y'all, I did it again. Okay, so actually I made this bowl for my mom. She doesn't come home till later, so I had to make it early. But this is mine. Doesn't it look so good? But I made it for my sister. She said it's really good. And I packed some for my friend right here. You guys can see it. I also steamed the broccoli and then I made asparagus. And the broccoli came with cauliflower too, so really good. Hey! Hi! God, it's too bright. She's having my infamous...
I will give you guys a 5-star rating. Look in the comments.
Hey! Doesn't her hair look good? Oh my god, it's not focusing. Do you see that?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Hello? Hello? Ma'am? Oh, wait. Her hair! So cute! Her birthday is soon. Hey! Guys, you guys know what the best feeling is? when you shave your legs, shower, your room is clean, your sheets are washed, and you get into bed and you're like, wow, I feel so clean. Like, wow. I feel so bad for you guys because you guys have to see me look like this. It's partially because I'm using the Nizoral and I'm like literally on my week and it sucks. And I'm also starting to use like a nail, hair, and skin supplements. I heard that it's prone that people with acne tend to get even more acne because of, I think, keratin overbuild or something like that. But I promise you guys, hopefully by next week it dies down. But I wanted to end the video here. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I know this week's video was really short, but I promise you next week I'll try and add a lot more for you guys. I hope everyone stays safe out there, and I will see you guys next week with a new one. Bye.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?